In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple collections to a page on Shopify. Whether you're showcasing a variety of products or creating an organized shopping experience for your customers, adding multiple collections can significantly enhance your Shopify page. Let's dive right in and explore the steps involved in achieving this. First, head over to the site editor in your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you'll be able to make visual changes to your site, and it's a crucial part of this process. Once you're there, navigate to the specific page where you wish to add multiple collections. It might be your home page, a dedicated collections page, or even a custom page you've created. The key here is ensuring you're on the correct page so that the layout matches your vision. Now, within the site editor, look for the section on your page where you want to add the collections. Once you've found the right spot, go ahead and click Add Section. This option is going to give you the flexibility to introduce new content blocks, and in this case, we're interested in those related to collections. After clicking Add Section, you'll see a variety of options that you can add to your page. From here, select the option designated for collections. Sometimes it's just labeled as collections, or something similar, depending on your Shopify theme. By choosing this option, you're setting the stage for showcasing multiple collections in a well-organized manner. With your new collections section now added to your page, click on it to open up its configuration properties on the left panel. This panel is going to become your new best friend, as it's where you'll make all the necessary adjustments. It might look a bit technical at first glance, but it's designed to help you tailor the section precisely to your preferences. From this left panel, you'll see an option to select which specific collection you want to showcase in your newly added section. This is your moment to determine what products will be front and center for your customers to browse. Choose a collection that fits the theme or objective of your page. If you have multiple collections that you'd like to display, don't worry. You can simply repeat this process as many times as necessary to include several collections across different sections of your page. And just like that, you're all set. By following these steps, you've successfully added multiple collections to your Shopify page, creating a cohesive and dynamic shopping experience for your visitors. Remember, the sky is the limit with how you configure your page using collections. Stay creative and ensure your content speaks to your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Shopify customizing!